Hi Josh, right? How's it going? Can you just take your bags off for me a sec?
Yeah.
Right, just take them all off. Have you got your phone on you as well?
I haven't got a phone.
You haven't got a phone? Right, okay. Right. Pop your hands in front for me, alright? At the moment, you're under arrest for being concerned in supply of a Class A substance. Okay, so you don't have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're just going to walk into the van, alright? We'll give you a search over there,
Yeah.
alright? You jump in beer, right? You jump in. Do you want a hand? Watch your head. Nice one.